Hey, welcome back everyone. So today I want to bring you a video on the 2024 Honda CR-V. I haven't really done many on this, so I wanted to bring you an item I just picked up for it. It's a really great item. Will help protect your investment at the same time, and it won't break the bank. And that's the things I like. I like getting things for the vehicle that doesn't cost too much money, but also serves a purpose as well. Especially since a lot of us use our cars, get them dirty, all that kind of stuff. We don't just keep them in the garage or nothing. So I want to share this with you. I think you guys really like it. So let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up for the new Honda CR-V. So I got a new set of floor mats, and this is by a brand named Karpal. And what's nice about this is they give you everything as a full kit. They sell it separately too, but this has all the floor mats and the cargo liner as well. So here's what you get with the package, guys. You get the front two mats, and then the one-piece rear mat, and also the cargo liner as well. And it's all matching. Has a nice rubberized feel to it, which is always great, so your feet won't slip around. Easy design to clean here with the little channels. And it has the high walls, which is always nice, especially if you have kids or animals. Things will inadvertently spill. This will help protect them. And I also like how the front one uses the OEM retainers as well. So this will keep it safe, keep the mat from sliding around under the pedals. Always a good thing. They even give you this note here. Tells you about this type of material. So it will take a couple days in the sun, or you just leave it in your car and it'll mold back to originally how it was supposed to be. So you might notice a gap here and there. Trust me, it'll lay down how it's supposed to in a couple days. I've got a ton of these different mats, and they do that. So that's normal. So when you put it in, if it's sunny, you can leave them outside, or I just put it in the car, and then it gets so hot in the cars, it'll mold exactly how it's supposed to be. So don't mind any gaps that you see. That's perfectly normal. So like I said, I like the design because you have to clean these things as well. So being a simple design like that, nothing too intricate, it'll make keeping these nice and clean a breeze. You just hose them off, put some light soap on there, scrub them if they get really dirty, and you're good to go. And right now, they're under $90 on Amazon for the full kit. So for all of this, under 90 bucks, that's really inexpensive for floor mats with a cargo liner that'll protect your vehicle. So I'll put a link in the description, guys. I highly recommend you get these to protect your CR-V. They have them for different vehicles as well. So let me go ahead and put them in the car, and I'll show you exactly how they look. So you can see here, perfect fit, covers the dead pedal, goes up underneath the pedals, uses the retainer clips right here, which is always a plus. So it keeps them secure. And like I said, this will all lay down in a couple days. That's 100% normal because they come folded up. So you have to expect that. So just know that's not an issue with them. They all come like that, even the cargo liner. And let me go ahead and show you the middle row, or the second row, I should say. Same thing, nice one-piece design here. Goes around all the parts, goes up under the front seat, which is nice. With the high walls, so if you spill something, it'll pick it up, keep your carpets clean, because the carpets in these cars is very hard to clean. Here's the other side. Like I said, the main thing I like is a nice design to them too, because you do have to clean them, and I've had mats that have a hard design and they're almost impossible to keep clean. And here's the passenger front here. Same thing. Like I said, they will mold back out in a couple days. I just took these out of the box probably 5 minutes ago. But really nice design. I'll go ahead and show you the cargo liner. It's always nice to have a matching set here. So here's a matching cargo liner. And with this one, you have to have this platform in the up position. So this part right here has to be level. You can also drop that platform below, but then this won't fit. So by doing it this way, you get a lot more cargo area, probably another 8 inches to almost a foot by having the platform up, so it's all one level too. So if you want to protect your vehicle, guys, I highly recommend picking this set up. Like I said, for under $90, you get the full entire set here. It's really inexpensive. And the most important thing, it'll protect your vehicle, because I've spilled stuff on the carpet before, and it is almost impossible to clean, and then it looks bally and stuff because it's really not high quality carpet in these cars. So you definitely want to protect it, especially with animals or kids. Make your life a lot easier. So again, check the link in the description, guys. I think you guys really like these things, and from Amazon, you'll get them really quick as well. And you don't have to spend a ton of money to protect your vehicle and then worry about how much you spend on these mats and if you damage them, all that kind of stuff. So again, I highly recommend these. Check the link in the description. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.